Hi friends, welcome to the Forgotten Lore. How are you? I believe all of you are fine. I am also fine. Everything is fine. All is well. Come on friends, today let us enter inside our channel, The Forgotten Lore. This plant is commonly known as scarlet gourds and scientifically it is known as Coccinia. This plant is Coccinia indica, otherwise it is known as Coccinia grandis, which produces white color flowers. This belongs to the family Cucurbitaceae. These are perennial plants and they are climbers. They climb with the help of tendrils. So that's why this is an example for a tendril climber. Most of these plants they have tuber-like structure so that if we destroy or remove the parts which are above the ground level, again in the next season these tubers will start to produce the new green structures so that a new young plant will emerge out. These plant's leaves they are deeply lobed and sometimes it resembles the fingers of our palm. Most of these Coccinia species are dioecious plants. That means they produce only male flowers or female flowers. That means plants with only androecium, otherwise plants with only gynoecium. So here I have shown the flowers with gynoecium at maturity, which will turn into a beautiful scarlet green color fruit. This plant is commonly known as the ivy gourd, and the fruits of these plants can be eaten raw when it is ripened. And the plant which we are looking here, this is wild country type, so that only the ripened fruit can be eaten. The raw plants cannot, raw fruits cannot be taken because it is very bitter in taste. I will give a recipe of this bitter fruit in another video that has also a high medicinal value, and these leaves are also used in making curries. So these young leaves and shoots are always edible, and these plants, all the parts of this plant is very rich in carotenoids. The bitter taste is produced due to the presence of cucurbitacins. Another species of Coccinia, which is known as Coccinia abyssinica, is commonly used in Oromo region of Ethiopia. Oromo people they consume this as a source of starch. This Coccinia grandis is widely used in Ayurvedic medicine and it is recommended for diabetic treatment. Coccinia is a good source of vitamins and minerals. The leaf juice is applied to the head as a remedy to scalp pimples. In some places, the fresh juice of these leaves are taken and it is mixed with 50 grams of buffalo milk and consumed as a cure for jaundice. And in some places they extract the juice and they apply to the palms and under feet as a remedy for burning sensation. In some places, in case of indigenous medicines, the leaf juice is extracted and it is mixed with black mustard powder and it is consumed by the ladies to remove the menstrual pain as well as vaginal pain. In some cases, parts of these plants are consumed as a remedy to cure leprosy, fever, asthma, bronchitis as well as jaundice. Some elderly people advise to take the leaf juice or the prepared cooked leaf in the form of food as a remedy for eye problem. This may be true because of the presence of beta carotene in this plant. The juice extracted from 5 of these leaves and 2 shallots, that means 2 small onions, that juice is extracted and that is orally administered as a curative measure for oral and stomach ulcers in case of certain indigenous medicines, and some elderly people they practice in rural areas. And some people they are taking these leaves as such or in the cooked form to increase the urination, so that the swollen legs are getting relieved. So it is told by some of the elderly people. So friends, in another video I will meet you with the different recipes of this plant, uh, the leaves, fruits, and raw fruits. So I will meet you like that. So till then, bye bye, see you, take care, best wishes.